Divide a circle of radius 7.5 centimeter in 12 equal parts. So now I am going to show you how to draw a circle, how to make 12 equal parts. Take size in your rounder 7.5 centimeter. Draw a circle second, do not change your size, same size. Mark on circumference point A. Do not change your size, same size. Iron end take point on A. Mark on circumference. Get here new point, point B. Point A and B join with point O, center O point. Get here arc number 1, arc A, B. Arc AB bisect it. Iron and take point on A, more than half size take in your rounder. Draw more than half size. Draw first arc, same size, do not change your size. Iron and take point on B. Second arc, two arc intersecting here, we get a new point, point P. Point P and O joined in dotted line or a thin line. Get here new point, get here new point, point O1, point O1 and A. Iron end take point on A, take size AO and same size draw on circumference. Do not change your size. Okay, this way you have to complete your 12 equal